Hey creative friends, I just wrapped up my quarterly Tracy Bautista color paint and swatch workshop, and so I thought I would give you a little peek behind the scenes. So in these quarterly workshops I share a bunch of fun techniques. We swatch out all of the colors first, and then I also share how I build up mixed media layers over the top of the colors. So in this workshop, I shared the holiday color pigment bars, some of the pigment stones, and then the winter holiday collection watercolors. And I work on a variety of surfaces. So I have a few different journals and papers that I work on, just so that I can show how each of the products work on the different backgrounds. So I have a Strathmore Mixed Media Skills journal here. I have the gray toned Nova Stillman and Burn, which I really love those journals. And then I also have right underneath there is the Canson Dry Mixed Media paper, the sand grain, the XL sand grain paper, and that's kind of got a cream, yellowish cream tint. And then I also worked on the Strathmore 400 series mixed media paper, just as a base to clean off my brushes. And then over the top of this, I'll do some additional swatching. So just to show how you can layer my paints and inks with a variety of other mixed media. So on this page here, I started off with the swatches from my holiday collection underneath all of those scribbles, and then I show how you can use a variety of colored pencils. So some Caran d'Ache Luminance pencils, Inktense pencils, my fave Inktense pencils, some Prismacolor, and also some of my own wax pigment bars and a few other pencils on top. So I really encourage you to swatch out colors anytime you get new supplies. It's a great way to learn how they mix together, how they work. These are some of the swatches of the watercolors. And then over here, the base was pigment bars, and those are my wax paint bars that you can use with a variety of mixed media pencils and layering on pastels, and you can also work with oils with them. So it also showed a fun technique, if I can find the paper, on Arch's oil paper, and showed how you can turn the pigment bars into these beautiful washes using a little bit of walnut oil with them. So they make some really beautiful color for oil if you want to work with oil paints also. So that is just a little behind the scenes peek. So every quarter I do these workshops as a bonus, and you get access to them if you are a Tracy Bautista Watercolor Play subscriber, which is my quarterly subscription. And also if you purchase one of the products, Tracy Bautista color products for that season. So you get an invitation to these fun paint swatching and play workshops. Thanks for watching. Have fun playing and painting in your sketchbooks.